In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Miro. If you've built a board you need to share, archive, or print, exporting it to a PDF is a clean, reliable way to preserve layout and visuals. I'll walk you through the process from opening your board to saving a high-quality PDF, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so you get the result you expect. First, sign into your Miro account and open the board you want to export. Take a quick moment to make sure everything you need is visible and organized the way you want it. While your current zoom level won't change the export, what you've included and how it's arranged will determine what appears in the final file. If you're collaborating with a team, confirm you have access rights to export the board. When you're ready, look to the top left of your board and click the three dots to open the main menu. This menu holds a number of board-level actions, and it's where Miro keeps the export tools. If your board is large, give the menu a second to load so all options appear. From that menu, navigate to the export section and choose the option to save as PDF. This tells Miro to package your board content into a single document that's easy to share and print. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you're in the main board menu, not a context menu for a specific object. Next, you'll choose your export settings and save the file. Select the image quality that matches your use case. Standard or lower quality keeps file sizes smaller, which is helpful for quick sharing or email. Higher quality preserves crisp lines and small text, which is ideal for presentations or printing. Depending on your setup, you may also see additional options like page size or orientation. Pick the settings that best fit how the PDF will be used. Then, choose where you'd like to save the file on your computer. Giving the file a clear descriptive name will make it easier to find later. Click Save and let Miro process the export. Large or complex boards may take a moment, that's normal. When it's done, your PDF will be saved to the location you selected, ready for sharing or review. That's it. You've signed in, opened your board, used the three-dot menu to find the export tools, selected Save as PDF, and chosen the right quality and location. With these steps, you'll consistently produce PDFs that look great and are easy to distribute.